normally would.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our notebooks, and you guys have highlighters?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need those to be taken out. So you were telling me that you've learned root words?
Yes.
Can anyone tell me what a root word is? Go ahead.
It's the word before
Okay, got it. Okay, so today we are gonna be learning about prefixes. Have you heard that word before? A prefix. Okay, so let's write it down real quick so we can get it in our brain.
Wait, with the highlighter?
No, you could write this with a pencil
Yeah.
on a new page. Okay, you guys got that written down? Okay, I'm gonna hand out a piece of paper for you guys. You can go ahead and start to look over it. Do you recognize some of these words? You've seen them before? Some of them look a little different though, right? Than the regular root word that you might have been.
Cook. Kind. Grew. Pay. Lost. Game. Hey, what's cool? Pre-cook.
Everyone got one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, pre-cook, it's like you cook it, and then, again, you cook it.
Okay, so with your highlighter, I want you guys to highlight the root word.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I did this already. I know where it is. The root word. Okay.
Oh, you got it done?
Nope.
Okay, don't worry, you have time. Couple more seconds. Okay, so when you're highlighting, does your highlighting look like this? Where cook
Yeah.
and kind,
Yeah.
group,
Yeah.
paid,
Yeah.
block,
Yeah.
make,
Yeah.
school,
Yeah.
lucky,
Yeah.
and name?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you guys notice that not the whole entire word has been underlined, right?
Yeah.
So this at the beginning here is our prefix. So now a prefix is a group of letters at the beginning of the word that changes the meaning of the word. So let's write that down in our book so we can keep that in mind. I'm gonna write a group of letters at the beginning of a word that changes. Am I going too fast? Sorry. I'll slow down. Let me finish changes. We're not done with the sentence. We'll finish it. That changes the meaning that a lot?
Yeah.
Bless you, honey. Are you guys done?
Yes.
Got it all? Okay, I'll wait a second. Now you know it? Okay, so if a prefix is a group of letters at the beginning of the word that changes the meaning of the word, you could look at that chart of all those words, and do you see how some of them are a little different after you put the letters at the beginning?
Yes.
So let's do an example. What if I wrote the word wrapped? You guys don't need to write this. Do you know what that word means? Like a present or a piece of candy?
That means you already wrapped something because it already happened. But then if you
So if you put a
unwrap,
UN in front of it,
unwrap, like you wrapped a present and then you unwrapped the present.
so it is not wrapped anymore. So we're going to be learning just 3 prefixes. There's a lot of different ones out there though, but we'll just keep it at 3 today. So our 3, we're going to do first one will be re. Can you guys guess what that one means? That one means again.
Wait, do you do like re and then equal again, or do you just do?
Oh, how I wrote it?
Should you do like? Can we do?
Yeah, let's do equals. That makes more sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You know what that one is? Equals.
No.
We could do not.
Yes. Equal. So basically, that means not wrapped.
Not wrapped. That makes sense to everyone?
Yes. And then
Yeah.
kind is not.
Not kind. Okay. The last one we're going to do is pre. Any guesses of what pre means?
Was. Me.
Pre me? Oh, you have it. You know it? Okay. What? What would you think?
Me means like you already, like you did it before you did do something else.
Perfect. So let's say it's before. So you could. Yeah, we're just gonna do 3.
The only reason why I know that is because yesterday my mom pre-cooked like a chicken pie or something, and then we had to go to basketball, and it only took an hour and a half to cook. So when we got home, it beeped and
Perfect.
it was ready.
So you guys use prefixes all the time, but you might have not known what you were talking about.
Yeah, wait.
Okay, can I do a little challenge with you?
Yes.
Okay, what if we had the word uncle? Yeah. So we have UN. Is that a prefix?
No.
Okay, so if we took off the UN, we would just have CLE. Is that a word?
No.
Yeah, I don't think I use that word. So we got to keep in mind though that it's not always, it can't stand on its own. Okay, so it's not, UN doesn't automatically mean it's a prefix.
Now I see why now I see why now I know why preschool is called preschool.
Why?
Because it's before school.
Perfect. So you got it. You guys get it, right? Okay. So now we're gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna put out my prefixes.
3.
Before I do this, can you guys get into partners? Maybe with someone, yeah, one group will be 3, so you can join them. Okay, or that, and then you 3 girls in the back, you guys can work together.
What about pun?
Okay, so let me put out these. Can you guys match which prefix would go with the root word to create a new word? You guys are going to do that with your group. Go ahead.
Okay.
Talk to each other and then you guys can write that down in your book. And maybe leave a little space in between each one.
Okay. So a forecast. Yeah. Forecast.
Did you guys get those two?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put more down. You guys can keep on talking. You don't need to find the definition right now. Okay? So we did those two. What if we do?
We can't see.
Sorry. These don't. It doesn't go together. It's like you have to find it, right? You understand that?
Well, I know that one of them goes together.
Yeah. One of these will go with one of these, and then this one will go with that one. Sorry, I might have not explained that to you guys.
What about preheat? Predo. Undo or redo? But then undo. Yeah, preheat. Redo. Undo. Oh, okay. Is it redo or undo?
That's a good question.
No, it's preheat. It's undo. Recheck. Yeah, undo. Recheck. Yeah. Uncheck. No, I think it's undo. And then recheck. Oh, right, it's undo. Undo. Check. Hopefully you got this great. Yeah.
It's okay if you didn't.
Look at this.
Okay, did you guys get those written down?
Yeah.
Okay, I have 3 more words for you.
Wait, show us where you get them right.
I will. We'll talk about it after.
Preview on shapes. Replay. Let's do it. Oh my god. Replay, and then now we have to guess.
Let's take this one away.
Like, oh, what? What?
It's okay. One of these will go with 2.
Okay. So replay, reshape, preview. Okay. Wait, review, and then test is all the way right there. Yeah, review. But I'm going to move retest. Or review. Or the both. And then I'm going to put test.
Sometimes it could be both.
Perfect. Review.
Okay. Are you guys almost done?
Yeah.
Does anybody want to come up here and show me what word they have made? Okay, come on.
No.
We'll slide these over here. You can Okay, which one are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna go down.
Maybe I
Okay.
can organize this better. So here are your. Which one would you like to do? You can tell me. Okay. Unhappy. Okay, what do you guys, you can sit down, thank you. What do you guys think about this word?
Yes.
Yeah? So what would that mean?
To be not happy.
Not happy. Okay, so that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So that is just like an easier way to say not happy. Here you could say I'm unhappy. You want to do one? Okay, we'll do another one. I already called on you. I called on you a lot. You want to come up here? In the middle? You can go next, okay? Okay, here are your prefixes. What prefix would you like to use? Re. Okay. So she made review. What do you guys think about that one? Yes, what does this mean?
Let's review your test.
So what does re mean?
Again. Again.
So
you
view
look at your test. See it again?
again,
You
yeah.
check your test.
Review. So if you're not quite sure about something, you'll go back and you'll review it. Okay. Good, I like that one too. Okay, come on up here.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do.
What prefix would you like to use? Okay. So she did preview, but we just did review. What do you guys think about that? Does that work?
Yeah.
It does, right? So it could go both ways. So what did pre mean? Again.
Before.
Yeah, you're right. Before. So a preview would be like when you go to the movies and you watch the previews.
It's before
It's
the.
before the movie. Very nice. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay. What prefix would you like to use? Again. Pre?
Alexis, that's enough.
Okay. So she made pre-test. You guys like that one?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So pre means,
Before.
uh-huh. So do you ever do like, kind of like maybe a practice test?
Yeah, I just with my family.
So you could call that a pre-test, right?
Yeah.
It's a test before like the main test, the big test?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I want you to work quietly for a little bit, and I want you to write down the definition of each one like we just did, but I want you to write it down.
Next to the thing.
Yeah, next to the words that you made. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. So it might look like if we did unhappy. Equals not happy. Is that right? Okay, go ahead. So you wrote again, but you forgot about play. So what is this word going to mean? Play again? If you read them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So wait, play just again. Does that make sense to you? Okay. You didn't write them all down? Okay. You can make a couple new ones if you just remember what we used. Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Thank you.
Salud.
Are you guys almost done? Would anyone like to share their definitions they made? I know you guys do.
Because they will answer everything and everybody else is going
Go from here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're right.
Nice try. Girls.
Maxine, do again. For what word? What's your reshape? So do again is the definition you made? Okay. So that does make sense because you are gonna like do the shape again. But let's think about it more as reshape will be shape again. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's do a couple more. Josie?
She's not here.
Ryan? Redo? Okay. What's your definition? Do again? Would make sense when we say it, right? But that's right. It's just a little backwards. So you're going to redo something. You're going to do the project again. Okay, good. Yuki? Review. Okay. Your definition? What does re mean? You can look at your notes. Do you have it there?
Come on, do it. Great. Okay. So it needs to do this. What's your root? What's your root word? Okay. So you means what? Do what again? Again.
heard you were right. I heard you. You again, that's it. Perfect. Okay, let's do one more. Elena?
Unwrapped, not wrapped.
Perfect. Okay, do you guys have any more questions? No? You guys feel good about what we learned?
Yes.
What did we learn about?
Prefix.
Prefix. Good. Okay, thank you guys so much.
That was fun.
That was fun? Was it? Are you lying to me? You could be honest. I've never taught a lesson before.
You were her first
Student, yeah. How do you guys think I'll make it? Okay, good. A little confidence.